Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to delete unwanted emails from your Gmail. So to do that, the first thing you need to do is search and delete. So you can use this, see you can log into your desktop version of Gmail, and here is the option to search or filter emails. So what we are going to do in this tutorial is we are going to search and filter some emails which are unwanted from our inbox list, and we will delete them. So this is how we can clear unwanted emails from Gmail. The first step is to search with the Gmail ID of the sender, means email ID of the sender. So for example, I gave a example email. So Gmail filtered all the emails with that Gmail ID. So, and you can check this mark so that all the emails get selected with this ID, and you can click on select all conversation with this matching search term. So each and every item means emails are selected, and if you want anything important here you can uncheck before deleting the action. So some emails may be important for you, some emails maybe you want to keep them. So check check them once and uncheck, and use this option delete, and you can make sure to confirm the deletion before deleting that button. Make sure before deleting, because if there is any important email, you lose them. And next, how we can search in the other way. So direct email ID is one option, and another is subscription. Usually we'll subscribe to lot of emails when we are registering in few websites. For example, if you are registering for a website, there will be a checkbox indicating that allow us to send promotional emails or subscription emails. In that case, our Gmail will be filled with a lot of subscription emails. So we can search, type subscription and just click enter, and see here these are lot of emails which I have subscribed to previously. There are lot number of emails, and I filtered this one. And furthermore I can filter, see, in the subscription also we want few emails to be excluded from deletion. For example, this one, what I'll do is I'll copy the sender email. See here, yes, sender email. And what I'll do is I'll just use the advanced search here. Advanced search doesn't have this email, so this search will exclude the emails from that list. See here, so these are all the unwanted emails what I want now. And furthermore, if you have any email which is important for you, you can just copy their email ID, and again go to the advanced search and just give a comma here and paste this control V and search it again. So from this search, the selected emails again get excluded. See here, subscription minus all this. So now you can click on the selection and select all the conversation that match search, and you can then use this delete option. So one more thing you can do is you can delete all the promotional emails. So there will be a lot of promotional emails available on our Gmail. You can select them and make sure if there are any important, you can uncheck them and click on this. See here, for me there are 1697. I can delete them using this option. So this is how you can delete unwanted emails from your Gmail. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.